Alright, I just picked up this Seiko SSC621 and wanted to make a video because I couldn't find one actual live pictures. I'm not going to give any specs, you can look that up. But this is a beautiful watch. I actually bought this watch, the 669, because I didn't want to wear my Omega. And now I just got this one, and I kind of like this one better. It has a black brushed steel dial that kind of shimmers, but when it's not at an angle it just looks all black, which is cool. Anyway, I pulled my other ones out for comparison. That's the 081, which looks a lot smaller than this one, and then the 017. All of these are SSCs. 017 on the far right. Look at that. Yeah, bring this over on this side. It's just a beautiful watch. And as a matter of fact, I got it at Walmart online for $127. So get them while they're hot. That's it.